Welcome back to Decor Puzzle 2.0, plant enthusiasts, to our delightful journey into the world of indoor plants and how they can transform your living spaces into lush paradises. Whether you're an experienced plant lover or just starting to discover the magic of indoor greenery, we've got a plethora of inspiring ideas waiting for you. So, let's embark on this exciting journey together. Picture stepping into a room like this, a room teeming with life, colors, and tranquility. Indoor plants have the extraordinary ability to breathe life into your home, and today, we'll unveil a tapestry of creative ways to achieve just that. Our first plant on this enchanting journey is the Monstera delicciosa, also fondly known as the Swiss cheese plant. Its uniquely perforated leaves bring an artistic flair to any room. Up next is the resilient snake plant. Not only is it virtually indestructible, but its sleek, upright leaves make it a perfect choice for modern interior decor. Looking to save precious floor space? Enter the world of hanging plants. They add a touch of elegance and whimsy to your indoor decor. If you're short on floor space, don't worry. Our next idea is all about hanging gardens. Utilize your ceiling or wall space with stylish hanging planters. Choose trailing plants like pothos, spider plants, or Hoyas, and watch them gracefully cascade down. These hanging gardens not only save space, but also add a unique and beautiful dimension to your indoor environment. Succulents are all the rage these days. Create captivating arrangements with these low-maintenance gems that can brighten up any corner of your home. Now, let's dive into the enchanting world of terrarium magic. Create miniature ecosystems in glass containers with a variety of succulents, air plants, and mosses. These self-contained gardens are not only low maintenance, but also make captivating conversation pieces. Customize them to fit your style and watch them thrive. Now that we've explored some fascinating indoor plant options, let's delve into the art of seamlessly integrating them into your home decor. Elevate the aesthetic of your living spaces by grouping your plants on shelves or tables, crafting an inviting botanical focal point. Seeking to create a snug atmosphere? Enrich your reading nook with some green companions. They'll keep you company as you lose yourself in the pages of your favorite books. Don't overlook the bedroom. Plants on your nightstand not only enhance air quality, but also contribute to a peaceful night's sleep. Now, let's shift our focus to plant care, because a happy plant is a beautiful plant. Indoor plants thrive when they're given the right care. Regularly misting them helps maintain the ideal humidity levels they adore. And remember to nourish them with the right nutrients. It's like offering your plants a wholesome meal that keeps them flourishing. Lastly, don't forget the occasional pruning. Removing dead or yellowing leaves encourages fresh growth and ensures your plants remain in their prime. Don't have a lot of sunlight in your space? No problem. Discover the world of low-light legends. These plants, like snake plants, peace lilies, and ZZ plants, thrive in low-light conditions. They not only purify the air, but also add a touch of elegance to any room. There you have it, folks. Armed with the right selection of indoor plants and a dash of tender loving care, you can effortlessly transform your home into a green sanctuary. Share your favorite indoor plant decoration ideas in the comments section below, and be sure to like and subscribe for an abundance of inspiration on creating vibrant and inviting living spaces. Until next time, keep nurturing those green dreams. Stay connected with us on social media for a daily dose of plant inspiration, and ensure you hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all things green. Thank you for joining us on this botanical journey.